Hi, my name's Cody. I just finished Matt's online course. Man, fantastic. It was incredible value. Matt, he lines everything out for you. He gives you the resources you need to execute whatever plan that you decide to take and making money on YouTube. He shows you multiple ways that you can make money on YouTube. And his course makes it very easy to learn and understand what most experts on YouTube, there's a lot of tips and tricks and secrets that a lot of experts don't even know that he teaches you. So overall, I'd give it an 11 out of 10. It's great also because YouTube is, I believe Matt's right when he says it's one of the best business opportunities on the internet, if not the best. And I believe that it is the best opportunity right now. So just wanted to say thanks, Matt. Your course was incredible.